An 80-member contingent of Royal Malaysian Army have arrived at Guwahati for the annual India-Malaysia Joint Army Exercise Harimau Shakti that aims to enhance tactical skills and interoperability in planning and execution of various operations in jungle terrain. The Army will start phasing out the first lot of the Cheetah and Chetak light helicopters from 2027 onwards, and will induct the light utility helicopters in large numbers to replace them. Russia has released a footage of its drone operators honing their skills of using reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicles and kamikaze drones using virtual reality headsets. India has sent humanitarian aid to Palestinians in the Gaza Strip that includes 6.5 tons of medical aid and 32 tons of disaster relief materials. The Indian External Affairs Minister has said that the issues surrounding Canadian diplomatic interference in India have not been fully disclosed to the public, and more information may come to light in due course, leading to a better understanding of India's reasons behind removal of 41 Canadian diplomats. The US will push for the sale of 6 additional P-8I maritime aircraft and the lease of B-1B Lancer bomber during the 2+2 meeting in New Delhi on 9 November, and India is likely to ask for the sharing of high-end technology for developing indigenous weapon systems. South Korean defense manufacturer Poongsan has announced a groundbreaking development of an extended-range version of its 155mm ammunition for the K9 self-propelled howitzer that has an impressive range of 60 kilometers. The increased range has been achieved using reduced explosive content and enhanced propellant. South Korean officials have confirmed that the 155mm extended range ammunition will soon be offered to existing operators of the K9 howitzer, including India, that operates 100 units, and is in discussions to acquire an additional 200 units. The government has decided that several major manufacturing projects involving fighter jets, tanks, missiles and helicopters will go under a special purpose vehicle model, which will see collaboration in design of military platforms with government agencies. The AMCA and the Indian multi-role helicopter have already been earmarked under the special purpose vehicle model, and the list is likely to be expanded to include twin-engine deck-based fighters, long-range surface-to-air missiles, future-ready combat vehicles and future infantry combat vehicles. The Indian Air Force had issued a global request for proposal in 2022 for the wet lease of flight refueling aircraft for 3 years, that can further be extended by another 3 years. France had responded to the request for proposal with its Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport, and a British company Tanker has also extended a lease offer for the Airbus A330 tanker, and Boeing has now offered its KC-46 Pegasus under the open tender proposal, which had previously offered the KC-46 under a government-to-government deal. The Defense Ministry is looking at a route for funding private sector-led research and development under a new Advanced Defense Acquired Research Scheme. The plan is to promote disruptive research for projects up to 500 crore rupees that would be led by the private sector industry, with technical hand-holding provided by government agencies like the DRDO. India will host a 9-day mega naval exercise Milan 2024 in February, that will see participation of over 50 countries including US, Japan, Australia, France, Bangladesh, South Korea, Vietnam, Indonesia and Malaysia. The exercise will feature large force maneuvers, advanced air defense operations, anti-submarine warfare drills, anti-surface drills and air domain exercises. Today's top 3 comments.